guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany, and if you are an OG subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Today's video is going to be a Balenciaga haul, and I am very excited on one hand to bring you guys this haul because I've never hauled anything Balenciaga. I don't even own anything Balenciaga, okay? So if you are not familiar, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I went to New York for Fashion Week and a friend's party. Or birthday celebration. So I picked up a few items. So if you are interested, then stick around. Okay guys, so like I mentioned, this is a Balenciaga haul and I picked up two things. Now let me just preface this by saying I wasn't supposed to be doing this kind of shopping, but it was like meant to be. Okay, so I did pick up a bag and I'm gonna show you what I got. This is how the bag came, just in this gray Balenciaga dust bag. Now, one thing I will comment on is the Balenciaga dust bags. They are very much so grungy, I would say. They're not like satin and soft like some of the other high-end dust bags, but that is, it goes along with Balenciaga's aesthetic in my opinion, so I'm cool with that. So, I'm going to open this up and show you guys. I'm pretty excited, you guys. I can't even lie. But I'm also nervous to show you some things, okay? Because she got some things. Okay. So, here is the bag. Now, this is the cutest little thing. Now, my friend had the hot pink one, and I thought that was perfect. It was so cute. It was just perfect, like the most perfect bubblegum pink. But I didn't want to get the exact same bag that she got, and I also have another pink high-end bag. So I figured, let me just get another color. I was debating on the yellow or the red, and I really do need a red handbag. I don't have one red handbag except for I have like a little fanny pack from Forever 21. So I figured, why not get red? Now this is called the Balenciaga Ville in the extra small. So this is the little handbag here. As you can see, it is like a textured leather. It does have the gold feet on the bottom, and it does have Balenciaga kind of written across the front, both sides, like in the graffiti font or whatever, or not graffiti, but just the font, the Balenciaga font. So it does have gold hardware. Now this is very reminiscent of my Alma BB, but it is way smaller, you guys, okay? So just keep that in mind. I don't know the dimensions, but I will leave that in the description bar for you guys if you're interested. Now this is a little handheld bag, and I always need a top handle because I hold my bags like this, but I also like a strap. And I love the fact that this came with a strap, and it's long enough to be crossbody, but it is also adjustable. So I do like that. One thing that my Alma BB did not have was an adjustable strap. So you can make it, you know, shorter or longer. So I absolutely love this little bag. Now, the reason why I liked it, of course, I saw it on her. I wouldn't have necessarily purchased this. I had been looking at the Jacquemus or Jacquemus extremely small handbags, and I love them, but they're even smaller than this. So I figured I could get this one. It's a little bit bigger, but I still get the same aesthetic. And also I got a phenomenal deal on this, you guys. Like half off, okay? Like literally like 50-something% off. And the original price on this bag is $1,790, okay? So yeah, $1,790. I do not think that it's worth $1,790. I mean, it is if this is something that you've always wanted, but that's very expensive, and I wouldn't have paid $1,790 for this bag. It's very small. Again, I paid $1,290 for my Alma BB, and it holds a ton. This does hold, you know, quite a bit of stuff, you know, for the size because of the shape. I love this shape, but for $1,790, no, way too small. But I absolutely love it, and with a good deal, I just couldn't pass it up. It's so like urban chic, you know, very streetwear, and that's my vibe. I love it. I can throw this on with anything. It's a great pop of color, and I'm just obsessed with mini bags. So I'm very excited to have this bag, and I cannot wait to style it and wear it. I don't know, like, let me know if you guys have been looking at this bag too. And they have other colors. They have this in all black with white writing. They have it in all white with black writing, which is sick. I just felt like it would get filthy. They have the pink, like I mentioned earlier, the yellow. They have a blue, and maybe a green. So it comes in an array of different colors, so you have your pick. And I think it also came in all black with pink writing too, which was super cute. This also comes in bigger sizes as well, but of course I wanted the mini, so that's what I picked up. So yeah, you guys, super cute. So my next item is why I was just a little bit leery of doing this haul, but I know you guys wanted to see what I got because I posted on Instagram. And I got a pair of shoes, y'all. So this is the box that they came in. As you can see, it's gray, says Balenciaga. Yeah, so let me go ahead and open these and show you what I got. So you probably already know. And let me just pull the stuff out. So you're gonna get your card and everything. You're also going to get an extra pair of shoelaces. Hint one. Don't crucify me, please. You're gonna get a dust bag, okay? And this dust bag is the exact same as the one for the bag. Let me open this. I'm still holding the box. But it's long, okay? So this is the dust bag. And guys, I picked up the Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. Wait, before you say anything, let me explain, please. Let me explain. I know what I said. I know what I said.
The dad sneaker. Oh my goodness, repulsive. I hate the dad sneaker. I can't get with it. It's a Sketcher on steroids, you guys, and it's hideous to me.
Okay. However, so I picked up the Triple S sneakers. First of all, I did not get these from myself per se. I got them because, again, great deal, okay, through a friend. And I was going to resell these. I bought these to resell. But now that I've seen them in person, I kind of like them. I kind of am obsessed with them. And it's not because they're cute. They're clearly one of the ugliest shoes, okay? But it's such a vibe. Like, I am very good with sticking to my word, okay? Very good with that. I am very loyal, okay? All of that. But now that I have these in my hand, I kind of love them. Yeah, that's kind of all I can say about that. So I picked up the like pastel-y colors. I just thought that these would sell well because they're kind of girly to me, and I like all the different colors. But now that I have them, I'm like, they will match my little red bag. Hello. They're just cute, y'all. Like, they are cute to me. Not a cute shoe, but it's a cute vibe. And I will tell you, my friend did have these on, and she had that vanilla color, the one that everyone has like changed their mind about the Triple S's about, because they came out in like that nude navy. And yes, those do look 10 times better than the original like Crayola color ones. But I still wasn't convinced like, oh, I want those shoes. You know what I'm saying? She looks so cute in them. She's very petite. She has small feet. And of course, she looked real cute But a lot of the girls in New York, they wear these and it's just such a calm sleigh. And I was obsessed, you know what I'm saying? Like, I loved how they rocked it. It still didn't make me want them. Only now that I have them in my hand, I'm like, I may keep these for myself. Okay, so let me get into these. Like, again, these are the triple S's. You do get the extra shoelaces. They are quite heavy. They're not as heavy as I anticipated. I've heard these was like walking with weights. It's nothing like that. But they are a heavier shoe. Like, don't get me wrong. They have some weight to them. Now, I haven't worn these or anything, so I can't tell you like if they're going to be comfortable with the weight. But they're not as heavy as I anticipated them to be. Also, the sizing on these. Now, a lot of people were discussing sizing, like even when she was telling me I needed to get them, and she told me that I needed a 37 because I'm a 7.5. Well, I got a 38 because they didn't have a 37. A lot of people say size a whole size down because these do not come in half sizes. If you notice, they put the size on that little toe right there. So there's no room for a half. But I got a 38, which I usually get 38s in designer shoes and 7.5 in the US. These fit me. Now, granted, they could be smaller, but in length, I feel like they fit nice. On my left foot, it's just a tad, like a hair, big, but not really at all, because you lace these up and you tie them like real shoes. You know what I'm saying? You're not trying to be cute with these and have them unlaced or anything like that. So with lacing them, they fit me just fine. I can understand people going down a size, but what I would recommend if you are interested in these is to only go down a size if you have narrow feet. And I'm not even saying go up if you have wide feet or anything like that. But if you have narrow feet, like specifically narrow feet, I would go down to, like, if you are a half size, go down to the next size. But if you do not have, like, if you have normal width feet, I would recommend these. Now, if you want it to be a little bit more snug, absolutely go down that half a size. But again, I got the 38 and they fit me fine, okay? Of course, if you have bigger feet, you may want to go down to that half size as well, because these are huge shoes. I mean, like, they're big. So the smaller you can make them look, the better they're going to probably look on your foot. And I do think that they are adorable on people who have very small feet, but I have a normal size foot and they still, I mean, they look like clown shoes because, I mean, they're not supposed to be cute. You know, they're ugly sneakers, but they don't look ridiculous. So, yeah, y'all, like, these, the original price for these were $950, and they do range from like $950 to like $995, I think. And mine was $950, I believe. Let me make sure. Yes, mine were $950. So I did not pay that, of course. I paid a fraction of that for these. And again, if I still don't like them after I wear them around the house or whatever, I can sell them at retail because these are in high demand. So yeah, y'all, I know what I said, but yes, I ended up picking them up and I like them. Okay, sue me. Sue me, sue me, sue me. Okay, but anyway, let me know if you guys want a full review on the Triple S sneakers, or if you want a styling video. I will be happy to do both for you guys if I keep these. Okay, I can actually style them and still sell them if I wanted to, because I would only wear them in the house. But let me know if you want a styling video or a full review on these, you know, to see how they fit and all of that. Leave that in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to do that for you. And you know what? Don't crucify me, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I understand if you don't like them because they are ugly shoes. They're not meant to be cute. And I didn't get it before, but look, after seeing the Louis Vuitton, which I would much rather have, you know, they're a little bit more expensive than these. I don't have the hookup to get them lower, so I won't be getting those. But if I did not get these for a fraction of the cost, I would not have ever touched this shoe. Okay, so yeah, let me know your comments in the comment section, and I will link everything in the description box, along with you know, my information as far as sizing, so that you can have a reference if you so choose to purchase one of these items. So yeah guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.